Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Dell G16s versus HP OMEN 16 versus Alienware m16 R2. Which one should you buy in 2025? Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the overall winner and help you decide which gaming laptop is right for you. I've also included links in the description box with the latest prices and deals, so don't forget to check those out. And hey, if you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. It really helps me out a lot. Let's jump in. The Dell G16 7630 isn't your average gaming laptop. This isn't a sleek, ultra-portable machine designed for life on the go. No, the G16 is a beast, a desktop replacement that demands respect. It's big, it's bold, and it's built for serious gamers who crave power and performance above all else. The sheer size is the first thing that grabs your attention. This isn't a laptop you'll be slipping easily into your backpack, but that bulk isn't wasted space. Inside, you'll find an absolute powerhouse of a machine, an Intel Core i9 and an NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU. This combination delivers gaming performance that's nothing short of breathtaking. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Battlefield 5 run with effortless smoothness, even at the highest settings. The 16-inch QHD Plus display with its 240Hz refresh rate ensures every frame is rendered with incredible fluidity. Colors may not pop quite as vividly as on an OLED panel, but the overall picture quality is still stunning. The keyboard, while a bit mushy, offers a comfortable typing experience. The dedicated gaming keys and customizable RGB backlighting add a touch of personality. Audio quality is also impressive, with loud and clear speakers that deliver a satisfying soundscape. However, the G16 isn't without its shortcomings. The large charging brick is a significant drawback, making it less than ideal for those who frequently travel. Battery life is also a concern, especially for gamers. Expect to be tethered to a power outlet for extended gaming sessions. Despite these minor drawbacks, it remains a compelling option for gamers who prioritize performance and a desktop-like experience. It's a machine that demands respect, both in terms of its size and its capabilities. If you're serious about gaming and want a powerful, no-compromise machine that can handle the most demanding titles, the G16 7630 deserves a serious look. The HP OMEN 16 isn't your typical flashy gaming laptop. It eschews the usual aggressive aesthetics, opting for a sleek all-black design that's surprisingly understated. The OMEN branding is subtle and the overall effect is sophisticated rather than garish. You can easily take this machine to a cafe or co-working space without feeling like you're broadcasting your gaming habits to the world. Build quality is excellent. The chassis feels sturdy, with a mix of metal and plastic that resists flex. The keyboard deck remains solid even under pressure, and the hinges hold the display firmly in place. Speaking of the display, it's a 16-inch Full HD panel with a 165Hz refresh rate and 7-millisecond response time. Colors are vibrant and accurate, covering 100% of the sRGB color space. The anti-glare coating effectively minimizes reflections, making it comfortable for long gaming sessions. Gaming performance is where this laptop truly shines. Armed with an Intel Core i7-14700HX processor and an RTX 4060 GPU, it effortlessly handles demanding games at high settings and 1080p resolution. Titles like Apex Legends and Valorant consistently deliver smooth, high frame rates, giving you a competitive edge. Even more graphically intensive games like God of War and Deathloop are playable at 2K resolution, though you might need to adjust settings for optimal performance. It isn't just a gaming machine, it's also capable of handling demanding creative tasks. Video editing, for example, is a breeze thanks to the powerful processor and responsive display. The keyboard, while functional, could be improved. The full-size layout includes a number pad, which unfortunately makes the keys feel a bit cramped. This can lead to accidental key presses, which is frustrating during intense gaming sessions. Battery life is a typical weakness for gaming laptops, and the OMEN 16 is no exception. Expect to stay tethered to a power outlet for most of your gaming sessions. Overall, it's a compelling option for gamers who prioritize performance and a more understated aesthetic. While the keyboard could be more comfortable and battery life is average, the powerful hardware, impressive display, and robust build quality make it a strong contender in the competitive gaming laptop market. The Alienware m16 R2, a departure from the brand's traditionally aggressive aesthetic, embodies a sophisticated blend of power and subtlety. This machine whispers rather than shouts, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance gaming laptop that doesn't scream gamer. The first thing that struck me was the understated design. Gone are the days of gaudy RGB lighting and ostentatious logos. Instead, the M16 R2 opts for a sleek, minimalist approach. The chassis, a blend of sturdy materials, exudes an air of premium quality. The subtle Alienware branding adds a touch of understated elegance, allowing the laptop to seamlessly transition from gaming den to professional workspace. Opening the lid reveals a keyboard that's as much a pleasure to use as it is to behold. The keys offer a satisfyingly tactile response with just the right amount of travel. The addition of a dedicated mute button for online calls is a thoughtful touch, ensuring uninterrupted focus during work or online meetings. But it's not just about aesthetics. It delivers impressive power beneath the surface. Equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and an RTX 4070 GPU, this machine effortlessly tackles the most demanding games. Whether you're exploring the vast expanse of Starfield or navigating the neon-drenched streets of Cyberpunk 2077, the M16 R2 delivers smooth, stutter-free gameplay, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in the virtual worlds. The 240Hz display is a true highlight. In fast-paced games like Overwatch 2, the difference is night and day. Every movement feels incredibly responsive, giving you a competitive edge. While the display may not boast the most vibrant colors or the highest peak brightness, the high refresh rate more than compensates, delivering a truly immersive gaming experience. However, pushing the machine to its limits comes at a cost. The battery life, while decent for everyday tasks, takes a significant hit during intense gaming sessions. This is a trade-off inherent in powerful gaming laptops, but it's worth keeping in mind. In 2025, choosing between the Dell G16, HP OMEN 16, and Alienware m16 R2 depends on your priorities. If you want raw power and a desktop replacement, the Dell G16 dominates. For a versatile machine with sleek aesthetics, the HP OMEN 16 balances gaming and productivity well. However, the Alienware m16 R2 strikes the best overall balance with its refined design, thoughtful features, and outstanding performance. Its rear port placement, smooth 240Hz display, and powerful specs make it the winner for gamers seeking style and substance. The Alienware m16 R2 takes the crown,